Welcome back to Craft Catalog, where simple ideas turn into stunning creations. Today we're unlocking a world that feels almost magical. Imagine taking an ordinary block of wood and watching it slowly transform into something meaningful, something beautiful, something made entirely by your hands. That moment, where raw material becomes art, is what makes wood carving irresistible. And the secrets behind that transformation are far easier than most people realize. By the end of this guide, you'll understand exactly how beginners carve confidently, safely, and successfully, even on their very first try. So let's dive into the beginner-friendly secrets that will change how you start, practice, and enjoy wood carving from this moment forward. The first secret is choosing the right wood, because the wood itself does half of the work for you. Beginners often make carving frustrating by using hardwoods that resist every cut. But softwoods like basswood, balsa, pine, and even cedar glide under the knife. Basswood is the champion of beginner carving because it has almost no grain, meaning your blade won't catch, skip, or fight against you. When your wood is soft, clean, and predictable, carving becomes smooth, satisfying, and confidence-boosting. Your very first project depends more on your wood choice than your skill. The second secret is understanding the grain direction. Every piece of wood has a natural flow, like invisible lines running through it. Carving with the grain makes your cut smooth. Carving against it causes splintering, tearing, and frustration. The easiest way to tell the direction is to run your finger over the wood. One direction feels smoother, the other feels slightly rougher. Always carve toward the smoother direction. Think of the grain as a path that guides your knife. Follow it and the wood will cooperate beautifully. The third secret is using the right tools, and you don't need many. Beginners often feel overwhelmed by huge tool sets, but real professionals know that 3 basic tools are enough to start almost any carving project. A straight carving knife, a gouge for curved shapes, and a V-tool for detail lines. As long as these 3 are sharp, you can carve spoons, figurines, ornaments, patterns, animals, and decorative pieces. Quality matters far more than quantity. A single sharp knife will outperform an entire dull toolkit. Now let's talk about the fourth secret. Sharp tools aren't optional, they are essential. Most carving mistakes come from dull blades, not inexperience. A sharp knife cuts smoothly and safely, while a dull one slips, forcing you to use more pressure, which can lead to injuries or ruined projects. Stropping your blade on leather with polishing compound takes only seconds, but it transforms the carving experience. Professionals strop constantly, even every few minutes, because a sharp blade produces cleaner cuts, better control, and a more enjoyable workflow. If you want your carving to look smooth and intentional, your blade must stay razor sharp. The fifth secret is carving in layers instead of forcing deep cuts. Many beginners try to remove too much wood at once. Instead, carve slowly, gently shaving thin layers away. Think of carving like peeling an onion, layer by layer, revealing the final shape hidden inside. Small cuts give you control, prevent breakage, and allow you to correct mistakes before they become permanent. Carving is a calm, patient process, not a race. The more relaxed your cuts, the more accurate your details will be. The sixth secret is safety, which every beginner must prioritize. Always carve away from your hand, never toward it. Use a carving glove or thumb guard to protect yourself. And anchor your piece against a table or your body to create stability. Safe carving feels more confident, and confident carving produces better results. Safety isn't just about avoiding cuts, it's about carving with ease, focus, and control. The seventh secret is that every shape begins with simple geometry. Before you carve details, block out the basic form. A square becomes a round shape, a block becomes a cylinder becomes a head, a triangle becomes a beak or ear. Professional carvers always rough out shapes first. Only after the big forms are established do they begin adding curves, angles, and details. When you simplify your wood into shapes, the carving process becomes clear and manageable, even for total beginners. The eighth secret is that sanding is optional but powerful. Some carvers prefer a clean knife finish with visible tool marks. Others enjoy a smooth, polished look. If you choose to sand, start with 120 grit and work your way up to 220 or 320. Sanding blends small imperfections and prepares the wood for finishing. It also reveals the natural beauty of the grain. Whether you choose a rustic texture or a smooth finish, sanding is a creative decision, not a requirement. The ninth secret is finishing. This is where your project goes from nice to professional. A simple coat of mineral oil, linseed oil, or beeswax brings out the color and grain of the wood. Finishing protects your carving from moisture, dirt, and cracks. Beginners are often amazed at how their piece suddenly looks dramatic and polished the moment finish is applied. It's like the final reveal of the artwork. The 10th and most important secret is practice. Not complicated practice, but simple, repetitive skills. Practice small cuts, carving lines, tiny curves, and controlled slices. Practice on scrap pieces before touching your main project. Every cut improves your hand feel, blade control, and confidence. Wood carving is one of those skills where improvement is visible with every session. Even 5 minutes of practice makes a difference, you can see. Now here's the bonus secret professionals rarely talk about. Your first carvings don't have to be perfect to be impressive. Wood carving has charm because every piece carries personality. Even simple or imperfect carvings look handcrafted, warm, and unique. That's the beauty of this craft. Your work will always be one of a kind. So whether you're carving a spoon, a figurine, an ornament, or a simple shape, remember that every carver started exactly where you are right now. With the right wood, sharp tools, and patient cuts, you can create something beautiful far sooner than you think. Thanks for watching Craft Catalog. If you found these beginner secrets helpful, make sure to subscribe for more woodworking ideas, DIY projects, and simple builds you can start today. Your next project could be the one that sparks a brand new passion.